there! How are you? Hope you're amazingly fine. If you're watching me for the first time, this is Ms. Sheerin, an American English teacher. Today's lesson is grammar. Verb to be. Present simple. Positive form. Part 1. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we have to learn what is a verb. A verb is a word that describes an action or a state of being. Examples: run, jump, ride, sit, move, is, are, etc. Verb to be. It's a special verb that shows existence or identity. Uses of verb to be. We use them to tell our names, nationalities, jobs, feelings, and ages. Forms of verb to be. In the present simple tense, positive form: am, is, are. In the sentence, we have to put the subject first and then verb to be. Number 1 is am. 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 Am is used with subject pronoun I. So we say I am. I am. I am. Examples: I am a teacher. I am American. I am 29 years old. I am tall. I am bored. I am excited. Number 2 is. It's used with subject pronouns he, she, and it. So I can say he is, she is, and it is. Examples. He is a doctor. He is 10 years old. She is my friend. She is from Brazil. It is my cat. It is hungry. And finally, are. Are is used with subject pronouns they, we, and you. So I can say you are, we are, they are. Examples. They are my new neighbors. They are children. We are on our way home. We are in class. You are my cousin. You are an amazing person. Contractions or short forms of verb to be. To speak faster, we can make the two words here just one word. Like I am, we can break them down to be one word by omitting a. So it's gonna be I am. Instead of saying I am as a long form, we can make it shorter and say I'm. The same thing here. We can shorten he is, she is, it is, and make them one word. His, she's, its. And finally, they are, we are, you are. We can say instead of saying they are, we are, you are, there, we're, and you're. Examples. I'm a good listener. He's playing at the park. She's excited for the trip. It's on the shelf. They're reading books. We're ready for school. You're very talented. Now it's time to answer this exercise. But first, you have to bring a piece of paper to write the answers on it. Are you ready? Let's go. Complete the sentences. The food. Tasty. Our house. Big. His brother. A famous artist. His mom. An excellent cook. They. Ready to go. We. Fast runners. You. My classmate. I. Patient and kind. He. My uncle. My colors. New. Your dress. Blue. My mom and I. Alike. So, have you finished answering this exercise? Yes. So, let's check the answers. Hope you got it right. Okay, let's see. The food is tasty. Our house is big. His brother is a famous artist. His mom is an excellent cook. They're ready to go. We're fast runners. You are my classmate. I am patient and kind. He is my uncle. My colors are new. Your dress is blue. My mom and I are alike. Unfortunately, we've reached the end of the lesson. Thank you a lot for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable from the lesson. Try to give me some example sentences, a verb to be in the present simple tense, positive form, and please write them down in the comments below. Don't forget to share the video and to like it. If you're not a subscriber yet, then what are you waiting for? Hit the bell button below to follow me for more. See you next time. Bye.